Well, we have a wonderful organization in studio and a great business supporting the work of this organization. The CASA Foundation does so much for children in our community, in particular children in the foster care system. And our local chair is hosting its annual back to school party. I mean, it is that time of year again, if you can believe it. Parents are like, thank goodness. But it's right around the corner, right? So we have a couple of special guests in studio. To my far left, we have Tom McCourt of the CASA Foundation, along with Alexis Woodbon-Schlater from Square Salon. Great to have both of you here.
Yeah, great to be here.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you.
I want to talk a little bit about, Tom, let's start with you. For those who might not know about CASA and what you all do, talk about, you know, just the importance of what you contribute to the community.
Certainly. CASA stands for Court-Appointed Special Advocates for Children.
Yeah.
There are 900 CASA programs throughout the country.
Wow.
Here in the Vegas Valley. Sheila Parks, the director, and her staff, and especially the CASA volunteers, do phenomenal work on behalf of abused and neglected children in the foster care system.
And you know, there are a lot more than people would suspect here in Las Vegas, you know, so there's always a need for help, right?
Always.
When your organization, and that's where businesses like Square Salon step in, right?
Yeah.
To help with your big events, to help the kids in our community. And so Alexis, I want to talk briefly about kind of how you all are stepping up to help CASA.
I have the fortunate job of working for Barb and Rick at Square Salon.
Yeah,
who,
are pretty passionate about it,
they're
right?
Absolutely the most passionate people, and they give back to the community as much as they can to anyone less fortunate. But we started back in 2012 when the CASA Foundation actually reached out to us and asked for us to help get these kids ready for back to school. And so we started with 80 kids back in 2012.
Oh, wow.
And this year, this is going to be our 7th annual back to school party, and we're hoping to have 600 children.
600, my gosh, that's pretty phenomenal. And from what I understand, you all, look at you, you dance too. You all get haircuts, you do manicures, you have other stylists from other salons across the community that come to Square Salon to donate their time. You have a lot of other businesses like Zappos that gives away free shoes to these kids. So they walk away looking their best and then also being very prepared for school with the backpack full of supplies, right?
Yeah,
which is pretty spectacular. So, you know, Tom, obviously this is a huge help in terms of what you all are trying to do to get these kids ready for the first day of school, because a lot of these kids don't have the resources that, say, kids that have parents and, you know, a support system would have.
Right, this is the first professional haircut for most of the attendees.
That's a good point. Yeah, they probably haven't had that special treatment, that TLC, right?
No.
I love it. Well, let's talk, okay, so this is going to be, so that I know, Tom, give us the dates on this again.
It is August 5th.
Okay, very good. So you can stop by, be a part of this, and really help support a great organization, great cause. Thank you guys for being here.
Yes,
thank you for the
so
work
much.
you do. Support CASA and support Square Salon and their efforts to help this wonderful organization. Stay with us, we'll be back.